my name's Sarah Freeman. I'm a junior mechanical and manufacturing engineering major at Miami University, and I'm part of cohort 11 with the Lilly Leadership Institute.
Hello, my name is Patrick Hanley. I'm also part of cohort 11 of the Lilly Leadership Institute and am a mechanical engineering major here at Miami University. Sarah's got a few questions to ask me regarding some key findings from 3 Goldman Sachs articles to support us in learning about embracing AI in the corporate world, which is a big project of ours this year.
Yeah, so our first question is going to be, how can AI impact GDP?
Yeah, so going off of this, the article that applies well is generative AI could raise GDP by 7%. So it kind of gives a little bit into it just in the title, but breakthroughs in generative artificial intelligence have the potential to bring about sweeping changes in the global economy, according to the Goldman Sachs research. As tools using advances in natural language processing work their way into businesses and society, they could drive a 7%, which is almost 7 trillion increase in the global GDP, and lift productivity growth by 1.5 percentage points over a 10-year period. And this is due to most workers employed in occupations have partial exposure to AI automation, and following the AI adoption, the AI can take tasks that they do in their normal work day and simplify them for them, and then they can use the freed up time towards other productive activities.
All right, and then what is different about the generative AI technology that we're talking so much about now compared to previous developments in AI?
Yeah, so in the same article, they talked about kind of 3 different levels of development. So the first level is software 1.0. This is where the code was written by humans, function by function, to perform one task at a time. And then it developed into software 2.0, which became the term for machine learning driven software development, where the main work was no longer actually writing the software, but it was collecting training data to train a network for a specific task. A lot of this was shown in automation of vehicles and how they can do like lane assist and all sorts of things along those lines. This is very labor intensive and expensive. So now we're here at software 3.0, which is just came out. These have many capabilities right out of the box. The base models have natural language capabilities, reasoning, general knowledge of the world. But this companies don't need to collect nearly as much data, and it suddenly makes the technology much more useful, accessible, and less expensive, as anyone can use it, and it has so much access to all the knowledge out there.
And then we talked a little bit about how it'll impact GDP, but how is the labor market going to be influenced by generative AI?
Yeah, so in particular, Goldman Sachs assumes that around 7% of workers will be fully displaced, but that most will be able to secure new employment in only slightly less productive positions. Also, the partially exposed workers to AI will experience a boost in productivity, and widespread adoption of generative AI could raise overall labor productivity growth in the US by around 1.5 percentage points annually.
All right, and then switching focus to healthcare specifically, why might healthcare be ready for the disruption that's going to be caused by generative AI?
Yeah, so the healthcare industry produces and relies upon massive amounts of data from uh, diverse sources. That creates a rich environment for applying AI as it utilizes all that data for uh, formulating its responses. The need for these technologies is giving inefficiencies in the healthcare system, as it is estimated it takes more than 8 years and $2 billion to develop a drug. With AI, it will significantly decrease the cost of development, and along with that, the time to get a product to market.
And then how can chatbots like ChatGPT also be used in the healthcare industry?
Yeah, so for ChatGPT, they can perform administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments and drafting insurance approvals, aiding healthcare professionals, all sorts of things like that, which will help the physicians um, get knowledge out to their clients faster, and it will help fact check them as well. It has also been suggested that ChatGPT could aid in clinical decision making down the road, such as diagnostics. This will take some more time for it to build trustworthiness and validation, but through um, more development, it will get there.
Great. Thanks, Patrick. That was really good insight, both from the economic side of things and healthcare. Thanks for your time.
Yes, thank you.